starting to warm off and getting dusty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know we was live.
If you get dusty to start off with, you ain't got to worry about getting dirty the rest of the day.
Yeah.
And all right, got that panel made, and I don't know if you can see it, but I actually got them in line this time.
A bunch of little soldiers sticking up there.
And while I was doing that, yeah, that was a lot of little drilling, but while I was doing that, Martin went ahead and
I ground off the old 40-something-year-old paint and ground all the little spot welds down and hammered out, because this body panel here it had a big caved-in spot above the wheel well there, so it was pretty beat up in there. So got her hammered and dollied out where she's mostly flat, and put some of that steel fiberglass filler on there to fill in the thicker spots where these are butt welded, and all the little hammer tracks in there. So yeah, now I gotta go get some fresh body filler. We gotta make a trip to parts house or something.
all right, let's get some more stuff done. Huh? What you working on?
Making some heavy. These were the late model Magnum truck headers that have the flange that, went up here. But we don't want that flange up here, because that means you got to reach way up in there. We want a collector down here, so we're going to eventually cut this off, have those band style, so you can just butt the pipe up to it, band clamp it, and quick easy, quick off, quick on, the pain in the butt stuff. So I'm just trying to fit them up close, get the right amount of angles with them, and take them together and stick them back in and see if they match the heights, But get something going with them.
I just noticed something walking by there. Look on the inside of the, got like little cones in the inside there.
Tuned exhaust right there.
Nothing but performance.
Yeah. I don't know how they got in there and welded that up, but they good.
All right.
Must have been something they made on the inside of these tubes. They brought them all together and welded them up. But technology, baby.
That looks pretty neat in there, though.
Yeah.
All right, let me let you get back to work, and I'm gonna roll some beads.
All right, then.
All right, he's working on some exhaust. And I got one side completed. Just gotta match that side to this side to make it match. Yeah, gotta match that up while he's building his exhaust. But I did let the beads come straight across here, then come up through here and make the turn to go up that way.
Racing stripe beads.
Yeah, direct that air right onto that spoiler we still got to build. But yeah.
So about got us some exhaust ready, so we can almost wire up this motor and put some fuel lines on it and fire it up. So
yeah,
got my hand at building some X-pipe manual bent 2.5-inch exhaust. That's fun. Yeah. Now I gotta get more clamps that they don't have around here, so you gotta order them somewhere.
So yeah, we dodged the snow-again or whatever it is. Yeah, we dodged that yesterday, so I was able to work today. But it's getting together. But the fun part is to match this side to that side.
The templates aren't to just flip right over and just be perfect. Shouldn't they?
In theory.
Yeah,
it sounds
it'll
good.
be within 1/8 inch.
But
maybe a quarter. Or half. I mean, it's close enough. This thing is super square. I guarantee it.
Alright, now I gotta make some little pieces to start off with, and then start back with the poster board. Yeah, but I like that. One side is done, sealed up. All right,
well, somebody has finished up the aluminum. I think it looks like a porcupine with all those things sticking out of it.
Done put in every Clico I had holding stuff on right now.
You have worn them Clicos out moving them around.
But now, gotta just take them all back apart so we can paint everything. But
yeah, everything under there is rusty. So yeah, we gotta paint all that jazz. Yeah. Then I gotta do a lot of body work on these old rough bedsides. So we're trying to figure out a plan of how to attack this truck. We're thinking about doing the body work and getting it all ready, paint the inside, and maybe putting we need paint so we can fasten these down. We need paint on it. So I don't know if we paint all of it, paint just a little bit, or paint the whole bed and assemble all this stuff, put the spoiler on, have the tailgate done, then mask all that off, and then work on the front half of the truck. We ain't figured out how we want to do it yet, but yeah, we gotta figure that out soon once we get the body work done and get everything painted, and I don't know. We'll figure that out as we go. We're trying to mock up the exhaust now. Don't know how we're going to run it out yet. We may run it out like some of the trucks were back in the day, or maybe even cut it out and run it up out of the side of the body. That's an option too. So right now I just got an X pipe in there and a pipe sitting on a couple jack stands, trying to figure out how we want to place it. So yeah, now it's down to body work. We can remove all these aluminum panels and store them somewhere until we get all of that done, and then concentrate on other things. So fun.
Yep.
But we talked to a guy here just a few minutes ago that's got the other remaining Dodge race truck that Norman Negri built in '83 from a Dodge Charger chassis, a petty car. And he's going to be at the truck race, and Rockingham coming in April. So he's bringing his truck down. I'm trying to get this one ready so we can get the trucks together and do a little photo shoot of some kind. Just get together, because I really want to see the original truck from this series. It's the only lone surviving original Dodge from the series, I reckon. There's a couple Chevrolets. One is at Talladega at the museum there, and another one's in a museum in Mooresville, North Carolina. And we think that's really the only 3 trucks that's left, unless there's another one floating around somewhere. This is just going to be a replica, but it'll at least exist and be ripping up down the highways. So maybe we'll get some stories and reactions out of people when they see it. Hopefully. It'd be cool to even get a video or 3.
Yep.
Somebody's got some old VHS tape somewhere hidden back. Like, man, how we do one of them races? I got the video of it. Well, get it out. I want it. But, yeah. A little bit more work done.
All right. We're going to get back to work. Do some more.
All right.